Hi friends, welcome to WP Glossy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Map in Divi theme with API and without API key. So without wasting any time, let's see the first method, that is adding Google Map in Divi theme with API key. For that, go to your WordPress dashboard. Here, I've already installed the Divi theme. Navigate to Divi and click on Theme Options. Here, you have to go to Google API key section. Here it is. Now click on the question mark symbol. Here they have given some instructions regarding how you can get Google API key. Click on that link. This is the Elegant Themes website. Here they have given another link, that is Google Developers Console link. Click on that. It will redirect you to some other Google Clouds Maps page. Here you have to follow 3 steps. First is confirm project. Click on next. Then enable APIs. Give enable in that. It will take some time. Lastly, click create new API key. This is the exact procedure as per Divi Themes guidelines. Copy this API key and paste it in theme options section which we have visited earlier. I'm copying it and I'm entering it here. After entering, save the changes. That's it. Now you can add Google Map in any previously existing page, or you can create a new one if you wish. Here I'm going to demonstrate, so I'm creating a new page. I'm giving the title as Google Map. After that, click Use Divi Builder. It will show you 3 options. In that, choose Build from Scratch. I'm choosing single column. Then search for the map module. Click on it. As you can see, it's showing some error. That's perfectly okay because this is the exact procedure. Click on map. There is a Google API key given. In map center address, that is which is given below, you have to give the desired address. Here just randomly I'm giving some country's name, but it won't show here. That's the problem. I'm not aware of the exact reason, and this is an issue which has been raised by many others. If you want, you can look it up in Google, but there's no concrete reply from the authorities yet. See, it's not showing for me. So this is the exact procedure to add Google Map with the help of API key. If this method works for you, well and good, go ahead with it. If not, keep watching this video to learn about the second method. In second method, first go to Google Maps. Then enter the desired address. Here I've entered California. Click Share and go to Embed A Map. Here you have to copy the code given. Click Copy HTML. Here again select a single column. Instead of searching for map module, find code module. In that you just have to paste the copied HTML code. After you paste the code, in the width section, just change it to 100%. And after that click Save Changes. The map is perfectly included without any problem. I have done this method without the API key's help. There is no need of verifying any API key. Then don't forget to click Publish. So the map has been added successfully now. The only difference between first and second method is that in first method, I have followed the documentation given by Elegant Themes. But unfortunately, it's not working for me, and also it is not working for a lot of people out there. So these are the 2 methods in which you can include Google Maps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.